Good morning, students. So today I am back with the topic section formula. How to use section formula to find the coordinate of the line by which the line segment is divided, and how the section formula can be used to find the midpoint of the given line. So in section formula, suppose this one is the given line. We are considering line segment as a one point A and the second endpoint as a point B. Now, if there is any point on the line by which this line is divided in two part or three, coordinate of A as a x1 y1 and the coordinate of B as a x2 y2, and we want to find the coordinate of the point C. So we will write here, let C divide in m is to n from point A. So from whatever the point we are taking, the given point is divided, then we will consider that point as a coordinate of x1, y1. So we have A as a x1, comma y1, and the second endpoint we will consider x2, y2. Now we want to find the coordinate of the point C. So we'll write a formula C with the coordinate x, comma y can be given as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma second coordinate, that means y coordinate will be my2 ny1 upon m plus n. अगर हमें फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए पता है, सो व्हेन वी डिसाइड ए एज अ फ्रॉम पॉइंट, मतलब हम ए की तरफ से डिवीजन कर रहे हैं. सो जिस पॉइंट की तरफ से डिवीजन करते हैं ना, दैट पॉइंट कैन बी टेकन एज अ x1 y1. उसी पॉइंट को x1 y1 लेना है. So we have x1 y1 as a point A. Now if we take from the B side ना, तो हम B को x1 y1 मानेंगे. Midpoint. So suppose we have given a line xy and in between there is a point P. Now if point P is a midpoint, so that means it is a in between x and y. So what is the ratio? Means suppose xy is 6 centimeter. So length of xp will be 3 centimeter and py is also 3 centimeter. So जब हम इसका ratio find करेंगे xp by py, so we will get 1:1. पे लिखो कि suppose we have to find the coordinate of point P. मुझे point P का coordinate find करना है. So if I want to find the coordinate of point P from x, so we have to consider this one as a x1 y1 और y को मुझे x2 y2 लेना होगा. So this side is a m ratio and the py is n ratio. ये n हो गया. So can I write here m is to n is equals to 1:1. So मुझे p का coordinate क्या मिलेगा by the section formula mx2 nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 Now we are writing the coordinate. We are leaving the coordinate and we want to just substitute the value of m and n. तो m की वैल्यू है 1, सो x2 हो जाएगा, n की वैल्यू भी 1 है और नीचे m1 n1, so 1 plus 1 2, this side y2 plus y1 upon 2. So we can write here x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1. So y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this one is the midpoint formula by using the section point or section formula. So next topic, bisect. So whenever we discuss about the bisect, bisect is a midpoint. Or you can also say that whole line is divided into 2 points. So if the line is divided into two parts, so both the parts are equal. So we can say that ratio m is to n is equals to 1 is to 1. So we can use the midpoint formula. Next is a trisect. So trisect means the whole line is divided into three equal parts. So suppose this AB is a line and we want to divide the given line in three equal parts. So we will write here two points. So when we take 2 points on the given line, so the whole line is divided into three equal parts. अब हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे कि सेक्शन फॉर्मूले से P का कोऑर्डिनेट तो फाइंड करेंगे by using the section formula. Suppose it is given that P divided into ratio of 1 is to 2. Means ये portion 1 का है and this side portion is 2. So by using this we can find the formula for uh, we can apply the section formula to find the coordinate of P. जब हमें P मिल जाएगा, now we have to find the point Q. अब ये ट्राइसेक्ट हो रहे हैं, सो अगर मैं P और B पॉइंट का यूज करूं, देन P and B. So point Q is a midpoint of PB. तो सपोज करो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम P का कोऑर्डिनेट 2,3 फाइंड किया और B हमें जो 3 4 या 2 4 जो भी दिया था, तो हम क्या करेंगे Q x, y का कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड करने के लिए we will use direct midpoint formula. So x1 means you can consider either B or A, जो भी consider करो. 2 plus 2 by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2. So finally 4 by 2, 7 by 2. 2, 3.5, or you can also write 7 by 2. So in exercise 7.2, we will use section formula. So in first question, it is given that find the coordinate of the point which divide the join of -1, 7 and 4, 3 in the ratio of. So that means first we will join these two vertex. So let's consider this one as a with the coordinate of -1, 7. And there is a second point B with the coordinate 4, -3. Now find the coordinate of the point. So let there is a point P on the side or on the line segment AB, which divide 2 is to 3 ratio. So we will write here, let P divide AB in 2:3 from point A. So हम ऐसा सपोज कर रहे हैं कि जो P है वो पॉइंट A की तरफ से डिवाइड कर रहा है. So that's why we have to consider A as a x1, y1. 7 and point B as a x2, y2, and we have also given the ratio m is to n is equals to 2:3. That means m is equals to 2, n is equals to 3. So now we want to find the coordinate of the point P. So P x comma y, by the section formula we have, we have already given the value of m is 2. Then we have to write the x2. So we have considered x2 as a B vertex. So that is 4. Then n. N is 3. Then x1 we have considered as a -1 upon m plus n. So 2 plus 3. This side m2, y2. So we are considering y2 as a -3 plus 3 y1. So y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 3. So finally we have vertex of P is 1, 3. In question number 2, that the point C divide is trisect. So trisect means 3 equal part. So to find the 3 equal part, we have to consider 2 points between the both the endpoints. So let's draw the diagram. So these are the position of the point. The starting point is A and the end point is B with the ratio with the coordinate of -2, 3. Now first we will find the coordinate of point P. So as you look from the figure, we are considering the 2 point in between, and all the parts are 1, 1. Now we want to find the coordinate for the point P. So that means we have to imagine this situation. A and the end point is B, only P is there. So this part is a 1 ratio, and the second side, this 2. That means 1 plus 1 will be 2 part. So now P divide in 1:2 ratio from A. Why we are using from A? Because we have taken first ratio as a 1 and the second ratio as a 2. So we will consider A as a x1 comma y1 and vertex B as a x2 y2. With the ratio m is to 1 is equals to 1 is to 2. So we will again use the section formula mx2. So m is 1, x2 is minus 2 plus nx1 and 2 x1 is 4 upon m plus n. So finally we have coordinate of p is 3 2s are 6 and minus 5 by 3. ध्यान देखना. So these are the point P with the vertex 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and the point B with the vertex minus 2 comma minus 3 and Q is here. Now the ratio is 1 and instead of section formula we want to use the midpoint formula. So we will write here Q is midpoint of PB. So therefore M is to N is equals to 1 is to 1. So when we are writing the midpoint na, you can write the direct formula as a x1 plus x2 by 2 comma. So x1 as a coordinate of P, 2 plus minus 2, this one B as a x2 by 2. And this one is minus 5 by 3 plus minus 3 upon 2. So this first coordinate will be 2 minus 2 by 2. And in this one, we have to take the LCM. Minus 5 by 3 minus 3 by 1 and whole divide by 2. So first part is 0 and the second LCM is 3 minus 5 and this side 1 3s are. So 3 3s are 9. So we can also write 2 as a 2 by 1. Why we are writing? Because when we write this one as a minus 5 plus minus 9. So minus minus plus 14 by 3 and this 2 upon 1 can be written as 1 by 2. So we have coordinate 0, 2 1s are 2 7s are minus 7 by 3. So if you want to use the section formula, so that means coordinate of P and B is given. Now we want to find the coordinate of Q. So if we consider from the part P to Q, this part is divided into two parts and the Q to B is divided into one part. And the other thing, if you want to use B as a first point, na, so that time we will consider this one as a x1 comma y1 and point P as a x2 y2 from the side B. So it depend on you. जब तुम लोग P के तरफ से लोगे then Q divide M is to N is equal to 2 is to 1 from P. If you are